David is a successful professional, great at his job. However, there is one area where he feels less than stellar and needs to improve: public speaking. Confident in his knowledge, David gets hesitant and nervous when speaking in front of others, especially those who he doesn't know. He doesn't want this to be a roadblock in his career, and he wants to learn a surefire way of informing, influencing, and inspiring needs in others when he speaks. A public speaking workshop by Darren Murphy was just the opportunity he needed to improve and work on his public speaking skills. Darren has been designing and presenting seminars all over the world for more than 2 decades. Darren was taught that public speaking is a contact sport. In other words, a speaker connects on both emotional and cognitive levels and does it without electronics. Darren knows the design of the speech is just as important as the skill of the speaker. David attended Darren Murphy's public speaking workshop. What were the results? David not only learned specific skills to improve his public speaking, but he practiced and refines them in a small group setting during the workshop. He left with the tools to become an influential and engaging speaker. Now he's more confident in his career, and most importantly, he is more confident in himself.